discovered CELP through a known associate who was part of the program last year. He gave good reviews about it, both in terms of training as well as being a mentor. The expectations were about getting to learn something from these fresh set of minds.
So this community is always helping us in terms of getting more insights what is happening in the market.
Knowledge should not be a privilege. It should be accessible to everyone. When I came over here, I was like, okay, I belong to a particular company, but when I'm going out of this room, I now know how 5 more companies work, or 5 more industries work, or how their CRM work.
The best aspect was that you get one-on-one contact with a mentor and seeing the different perspectives of everyone as well. It's very interesting.
For me, I think the best part was getting to meet all these new people with very different backgrounds.
It's going to be more beneficial for those people who are starting their CRM journey over there. They know how to start, how to approach over it.
It's a good momentum builder for these fresh ideas, and you get to express, you are able to learn from other community members. So that way it's really good.